In the Roland Cut Studio, if I would like to outline text, there is an easy way to outline it with a different color. What we need to do is create two layers. The first layer is my text. Now I have typed in my text, and with that typed in, it still has text properties. So I need to take that with the select tool, left click on select. With it selected, I'll go up to object and convert that to a polyline first. I must convert it to a polyline in order to do the offset for the second color. So with that selected, still, I'll go up to object and then offset. With offset, I can do an inside or an outside offset. I would like to do an outside offset, and I will change that to 0.2 inches. I'll go ahead and press OK. Once I do that, it creates an offset of 0.2 inches just on this design. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom out. You can see that I now have two layers. So this would be my outline color, and this would be the inside color. So I would do this one color and then do this the other color. I can also create outlines right within Corel. With the text already in place, I can go to my contour tool, which I go ahead and press the arrow down on the blend icon and select contour. With contour selected, up here I can set in my settings of just one contour step and how wide I want that contour offset. I left click to select that text, and when I left click to select it, those items now appear. I'm just going to do one layer and a 0.27 inches. I have the ability to do a center contour that fills the object, inside contour, and an outside contour. Here also I have the fill color for that outside contour. So with this selected outside contour, I left click on it. It then puts my contour on there. I have that now connected to my text, so to disconnect it I will go to Arrange and Break Contour Group Apart. When I do that, I will go back to my select tool, and you can see these two are now separated. So I can take these two and bring them into the Roland Cut Studio. So I'm just going to undo that, and we will go to File and then Export, and I will go ahead and export that to a EPS. I'll just left click on the EPS. I'm saving that as the text tutorial.eps. I'll hit export, and we will go ahead and export the text as curves and press OK. Now if I go into the Cut Studio, we'll go to a new design and import. I want to make sure that I choose my desktop. I also want to make sure that I choose the EPS format. There it is. Press open, and now I have those two layers. We can ungroup those layers by going up to Object and Break Polyline. Left click off to the side, and now each one of my pieces are different. So with holding the Shift key, I can select the inside text just by left clicking and holding Shift and drag that up here. Let's go ahead and see that, and now I have the two layers. So you can see that we can do that either in Corel, or we can do that right within the Cut Studio. Thank you.